Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Good evening. Today we are with our guest from IIT Dharwad, IIT Hyderabad, and IIT Patna. So Mr. Hemant is from IIT Dharwad. He will let go us through IIT Dharwad process in details, and then we are we are with Mr. Anirudh. So he will get us through IIT Hyderabad, and we are with Mr. Ravindra. So Ravindra will let us go through IIT Patna. Thank you. So Mr. Hemant, let us start.
Hello, good evening. Thank you, sir. Uh,
Yes, Hemant, please start.
sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
And you can see the slides are moving or not? Can you just confirm?
Slides are not moving. I think you have not shared the whole screen.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Anirudh.
Sir, I'm
Yeah,
audible now, sir. Clearly.
yeah, perfectly audible. Yes, Anirudh.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So
After
after
IT
the
Dharwad,
Dharwad,
I'm
yeah. Now slides are
yes,
moving. Yes, Hemant. Yeah. Please start, Hemant.
Yeah. So okay. Good evening, everyone. So here we have like IIT Dharwad. I'm from IIT Dharwad. I'm doing my MTech from IIT Dharwad. So the thing is, IIT Dharwad is a third gen, and we have recently from 2016 it has been established, and they have started a postgraduate course from 2018. So IIT Dharwad is in the Karnataka, in state of Karnataka. There is a district Dharwad, and it's there only, and it's famous because Hubli Dharwad Twin City, which is also now a smart city. So this is our present campus, which is in the Valmi campus. So this is our campus life. Now the new campus, which will has already been established and inaugurated by our PM, Mr. Modi. So this from you guys from the new batch, they will be shifting from to the new campus only. So there are three PG programs. One is PhD, MS, and MTech. So MTech they are still offering for the mechanical, material, and aerospace, and there are two executive MTech from data science and EV. And they have MS program for the three branches: computer science, electrical, and mechanical. And they are PhD programs also. So what for the MS people there are 34 credits which have to be completed within the first two semester. In which there is one communication skills course which is like a non-credit course, which the credit won't be included in your CGPA, but it is mandatory to complete this subject. And for MS student, they can take one UG course, which is a level less than level 6 course. And for on all the other courses, which is for 34 credit, it should be more than a level 5 course, which is a PG course. And you cannot get a CC grade in any means. CC grade should be the minimum one, but it is not advisable. And your research topic should be selected within first year of your MS program. From after the first sem of your MS, in the second sem you will be allotted a guide who will be helping you to make your problem statement and similar problem statement, define problem statement. So this is important because you have to maintain your CGPA in your CGPA or CPI in your first sem, because based on your grade only you will be selecting your guide. Okay. So for MS program, the flowchart is like this. You have to complete your coursework within the first two semester, that is 1 year. Then there would be a research proposal committee, which would be basically on your guide and some of the other professor making a committee who will be judging your research and helping you in the progress and other things. Then you have to present your annual progress report, means annually and semester progress report, which will be your credit, which would be your credit for that semester. And then presenting the seminar for in front of the RPC for every semester, and thesis defense. There are two type of thesis defense. One is just internally, and one is open all. That would be for MS students. They have to do the open one, and they have to defend it. If you couldn't defend your thesis, then your degree won't be there. For MTech, there are minimum credit of 125 credits, where 67 credits are institute core, and they are fixed. Like we cannot change. Means 67 credits are elective credits, and program credits, that is 23 credits, are like permanent and we cannot change it. You have to mandatory follow those scores. In 23 credits, there are three courses and one lab total. So the courses are like three core courses are from three different branches. Like one is from fluid thermal, which is advanced fluid mechanics and turbulence. Second course is advanced elasticity, which is more towards the design and manufacturing design part. And third course is additive manufacturing and advanced manufacturing, which is your third course, which is for manufacturing sector. So here in IIT Dharwad, there is no segregation between uh, thermal fluid manufacturing and design. All the MTech students are considered as one, but at the time of your certification, they will be giving you like measuring in your certificates. And in second semester, there are four electives and one core lab, which is mandatory. And four elective courses can be done either in the second semester and third semester with the help of your guide. Your guide would be allocated after the first sem. So you have to make sure that your CGPA is high enough so that you get your first preference. And the technical project work, or your these two semester, you have to only do research work as prescribed, but you can take extra credits also. So for MTech program, you have to be like valid grades to register in COPE and submission your application IIT Dharwad, and course registration begin. Then obviously when you are in for both MS and MTech, they are teaching assistant for fellowship. Okay, so if you are in TA department, then you will be getting 12,400 rupees, for as a from funded from MOE. But if you are in MS, there are two types. One is project based and one other is TA based. If you are in TA, then it would be same as this, and if you are project based, depending on your project, you will be getting your stipend. And project allotment would be happening after the means project allotment will be happening after the second semester. And internship is also available after second semester, and placement will be commencing after the third semester. So this is somewhat you can select the internship opportunity based on yourself, or you can also approach the what you call from your side also, and there would be something from the institute side. But it would be very common one, that internship. So try to if you are joining IIT Dharwad, try to get an internship from other sources also. Okay, and placement. There's placement is good because we are now have completed our permanent campus, so large number of companies are coming for the placement also. And MTech thesis project stage 1 and stage 2 would be evaluated on the same as MS student. We have what do you call research 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 project committee established similar to the MS program, and then thesis defending and award of degree. Here for the MTech MTech degree, it has a plus point that even if you couldn't defend your thesis, you will be awarded a degree. For PhD students, they have to be like do 16 credits, and it's very similar to the MS program, but it is a 5-year course. So why the PhD thing is important, because you can change your MS or MTech to PhD if you have a, what you call, minimum of 8 CGPA in the first 2 semester, and you can change it before the third semester. So this is a flow chart indicating how this is done. So this is our coursework, and in IIT Dharwad there is like intranet available where you can have like many support structures like academics, computing facilities, institute forms. You can get everything there. So therefore, for my presentation, I only am talking about Department of Mechanical Engineering. So there are like for Department of Mechanical Material and Aerospace Engineering is a combination of all the three major branches. This was the establishment of this department was keeping in the picture that all the area of research can be happening here. So research area, which is important for both MS and MTech students, that what is your research or means just after 1 year you have to be deciding which area you have to be doing. So these are the major research area, that is open pool fire, which is done which is under Professor Sudhir. You can look up on him in IIT Dharwad website. Okay, so this is open fire. This is basically on how the fire safety distance and how mostly fire dynamic simulations are there. There is computation fluid dynamics. For computation fluid dynamics, there are two professors, Professor Dheeraj and Professor Hiranya. Uh, both are doing their work in computation fluid dynamics, atomization and spray. Professor Surya Prakash and Professor Hiranya is doing this one, the atomization and spray. And compressible flow and turbulence, Professor Kirti is doing. Under Professor Kirti, this subject is going on. Additive manufacturing and 3D printing. This is under Professor Somsekhar sir, who is now the HOD. Biomechanics and the computation, solid mechanics, robotics. These are mostly of design factors, and Professor uh, Tejas, professors, and his team are doing these three courses, and they have a what you call major focus there. And coming to the research facilities, which is very important for any what you call PG students, we have like good research facilities. One is like we have a 3D printers there, and solar panel and other things which are very helpful for research work. And there's one more. They have started a civil Department of Civil and Civil Engineering. You can also apply for that. So now the thing is, one more the important key feature of IIT Dharwad is our sophisticated center of instrument facilities. Here, some of the good instruments are there, which is very helpful for us. Like our high speed cameras are there, and some of the good facilities are there. And another thing is HPC, high performance computation facility. So this is open for all the branches. So here the thing is, when you are doing the simulation in computation dynamics and you have to do a very large simulations, so you cannot do in your regular PC. So here you will be getting exposure, and it will be helpful for you, for your uh, course project and term project. Other than these things, we have like library, uh, reading room, online resources. Some of the journals are being openly by our institution, so you can read through it. And internal research scholar room. There we have a separate room for the research scholars, and healthcare and services, emotional well-being services, and hostels, uh, dining area, sports. The IIT Dharwad is open for a lot of sports. So they provide in hostels. Some of the hostels they have table tennis, carom board, chess, and everything. And they have a separate place also for outdoor sports. And in our new campus, we have all the dedicated areas for badminton and other things. So like PG students also go for inter IT. That's a good thing for in here for IIT Dharwad that they also include PG students. And gyms or fitness are there, and cultural events also happens here. So these are some of the like weekly gathering of IIT Dharwad for research scholars. So they have like mostly some of the weekends we discuss about some of the research topics which we are doing till now, or just we will watch some movies and something like that. So traveling inside, the only bicycles is allowed, and from outside you have to take government service, government buses or tum-tum. Thank you.
Excellent, Hemant. Thank you very much. You have given the whole insight of IIT Dharwad. So that's good. So we will take up questions towards end. Now we'll move to IIT Hyderabad. Thank you, Mr. Hemant. Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
Good evening,
Anirudh,
sir.
yes, Anirudh, now you are presenter. Please share your screen. We'll continue.
Yes, sir. Sir, is it visible now?
Yes.
Sir,
Yes. I think your voice is breaking in between. Yeah, please.
I
Hello.
am K from
Actually, your voice
taking
is
self-sponsored.
your voice is cracking, Anirudh. You are using Wi-Fi internet or mobile?
Mobile, sir, because Wi-Fi is under maintenance.
Oh, okay. That's a challenge actually. Yeah. So let's try. We'll try. You can please share again screen and let's do
Okay,
it.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Now is it
Please.
clear and audible, sir?
Yeah. Better. Far better.
Okay, sir. I'll share
Yeah.
again, sir.
Yeah. Please.
Good evening for one and all present here. I am Anirudh.
Mm, I think so much
What
of
is
issues.
yes, sir?
Yeah. Yeah. Issues are coming yet. It is not visible. Okay. Mm. Okay.
Is my audio clear, sir?
Yeah, you are audible, but your screen is not visible yet. It's rolling. Can you again share?
Now, sir?
It's rolling.
Yes,
Stop
sir.
sharing and then share, please. Yeah, now please share it again.
Yes, sir. Now, sir?
Yeah, please share. Just a moment. Yeah, now perfect. Let's
Got
start.
it, sir.
Thank
For one and all present here. Anirudh K from bar under self category about our department of mechanical and aerospace engineering. So these are the courses
you.
available in the department.
I
Let's
think
share.
lot of issues are coming, Anirudh. Just wait for a moment, okay? We will discuss on sir. Yeah,
Okay, sir.
just a moment. Thank you. Just
Is my order clear, sir? Sir, now is it clear? I think the everything is perfect now, sir, because the Wi-Fi range is full, sir. Connection status is full. Excuse me, sir.
yes, Anirudh. Yes, Anirudh.
Yes, sir. Now I'll share full screen, sir, because it's in connection full mode.
Okay, okay, fine then. Please.
Today, MX responsible.
No, no, it's still again issue is there, Anirudh. Anirudh, issues are there. Just a moment, wait.
The connection status is full. I'll try again, sir.
Am I audible?
Yeah, now you are presenter, Ravindra. You please present your presentation. Anirudh, I'll just call you. Okay. Yes, Anirudh. There is in middle. There is a webcam, and then next is a presenter. Ravindra, can you hear me? Yeah.
Are the slides
Hello.
visible?
No, no, no. You are not shared. You have to share. There is a tab, na? Share
Yes.
screen. Yeah, please share. Yeah, you are not finding option.
Sir, I am finding the option, but it is not showing on the. It is not sharing.
Why? It should share, na? Share screen option is there, na?
Yes, sir.
Click on that, then you have options, current windows, something like that. Yes, Ravindra. Not happening?
Is it visible, sir?
No, 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 no.
Sharing.
Yet not shared. Yes, Ravindra. Okay, so guys, meanwhile, uh, guys, if anyone having on YouTube question related to IIT Dharwad, we can answer. So somebody asking Mr. Hemant, any inter-hostel sports events happening in IIT Dharwad?
Sir, about inter IIT, I didn't went. I went for the intercultural. So from MTech, from PG batch, few people went for the inter IIT, and one of us done very good. Got a gold medal in weightlifting also. He was a PG
Oh,
student.
okay, okay. Nice. In inter-hostel cricket will be there, right? Anyway,
Yeah,
between
inter hostel
hostels,
it's going
department.
also.
Yeah,
Yeah, it
yeah,
would be inter hostel, inter department, and
yes.
then there's faculty versus students. Those things are
Oh,
there.
okay. There is one question, salary offered, average salary offered. Somebody asking. Present? Yes, Ravindra, you are not able to present? Hello?
Yes, sir. There is some sharing issue.
Okay, no problem. So what we'll do, we will postpone your session. Anirudh, your session, and
Sir, I can give, sir. I can still give, sir.
but your voices will be again issue, right? Still,
No, sir. Right now, till now, no fluctuation of internet from mobile data.
but it will be, we don't know. Okay, try once sharing
Yes, sir. I give
screen.
one last attempt, sir.
Yeah, please.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, now is it everything is all right, sir?
Please stop.
Excuse me. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Percentage sponsored and IIT Hyderabad. I'll be explaining about my department.
No, 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 no. Sorry. Okay, Anil, sorry. We'll not continue like this. We will do sometime later. Let
Okay, sir.
We'll finish today IIT Dharwad only. Yeah. Now, Mr. Hemant, there is one question on placement part. So first get an IIT,
So,
then look for placement.
so for placement, I'm not clear because the placement would be starting from third sem, but they have like placement cell has said that they will be they will be helping us for getting the interviews and other things. They will be helping us like mostly the companies which are coming from BTech. We can also sit with them for the interviews and placement tests. Those are things.
Yeah, yeah, surely,
But
surely. See, I'm pretty sure IIT Dharwad is very close to Bangalore, and majority of the company will be visiting. I can, bet because it's very convenient for right people to travel and come for interview, or you guys can come for any internship in industry, right? Um,
yes, sir.
so the only thing like learning should be good. I believe you
Yeah,
have so many facility, good professors are there.
yeah.
Learning is good, and
So
that yeah, please.
yeah, research facilities are good. One thing I can say that so that what you call our tools or what you call lab things are fully funded and fully sufficient for any project, any like high speed cam, which I'm using, or the things like we can purchase also instruments for our research. So those things are good. Means we can say that means mostly for PG students or MTech or MS, we do research work more, so it is better to have a great facilities here.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. See, it's an IIT, no funding problem. Also, Prahlad Joshi is from Dharwad and is very close to Mr. Modi. So definitely they would like to see IIT Dharwad quickly grow well. Okay, like political, geographical, many regions are there in Karnataka. There is no IIT, right? IIT Dharwad is the first IIT. Okay, if you see the state of UP, they have multiple IITs. If you see Maharashtra, they have IIT Bombay, very old IIT. So definitely, I can see from my vision, IIT Dharwad will be progressing very fast and very well. Now, some people just ask placement, placement, placement. I don't. I simply I'll say don't join. Better if you are just looking for placement, don't join. Okay, any IIT like that. I say them. Of course, placement is important, but first, if your marks are not enough, somewhere you have to, right, Hemant. Somewhere you have to first find the best available option and
Yes,
then
sir.
work hard.
Yes, sir.
Because in IITs, one good thing I will tell Hemant
Yes,
from
sir.
my experience. If you are an IITian, if you have maintained very good CGPA during your program,
Yes,
either
sir.
you will get placed on campus, or for sure you will be getting placed off campus as well. Okay, even with better package. I've seen with my many juniors also. So
Yes,
one
sir.
thing like I would like to know here, what all companies coming for BTech placement in your department? Any idea?
So, see, yes, a few companies are there. Mostly consultant type companies are means technical consultant companies are there. Like high tech also, for technical high tech also came this month only for internship and placement. And
Okay.
some of the I don't remember the names, but companies are are coming.
Okay.
But technical 8 to 9 major companies are there coming. For computer
Okay.
science and data analytics, there companies are a lot of number of companies are coming, and core mechanical also companies are coming. 3 companies recently. Means we are also approaching for CDC for our internship. So we got to know that three core companies came. One for manufacturing, two for manufacturing, and one for our design department. Means related to design. So companies are coming. There is no issue.
Good. And
And
of course, you guys will have placement cell, right? You guys
yes, sir.
always can call to HRs, can invite. In IITs, placement is very well planned and very much organized. Since it's a new IIT, I know it will take some time, but by the time 2 years, right? After two
Yes, sir.
years, situation will be altogether different. It will, IIT Dharwad will have many milestones.
Yes.
So
So I missed one point.
yeah.
Previously, I didn't mention it. 2 people from our college got PRMF funding for their MS and PhD program.
Oh, nice. PMRF. Excellent.
PRMF. And
Okay. Yeah, last year our IGC student also got PMRF in IIT Kanpur. You guys will be knowing Tanya, Miss Tanya. We had one session also with her. So it's
yes,
all possible if you guys put hard work. It's all possible. Yeah. So guys, any other question apart from this just package and salary? Mr. Vignesh, Balaji, or Simran, or Deependra, because today we will not able to continue for IIT Hyderabad and IIT Patna part because of some challenges facing by our guest. They are facing some internet issues, some technical concerns. So we'll wind up today only with IIT Dharwad. Any more question on IIT Dharwad? We'll try for IIT Patna once if we can continue. Any question on IIT Dharwad further, guys? Any more question? Okay, so I think no more question on IIT Dharwad, it seems. Ravindra, can we try again once?
Yes, sir. I was also thinking.
Yeah, can you share the screen? Or those who are watching session can ask a question on IIT Patna. Yeah, one question is there, Mr. Hemant. New batch will be in a new campus, right?
yes, sir. We are also shifting from old campus to new campus with next sem also. Means everyone
Okay.
will be shifting from next sem also. Everyone.
Oh, okay, fine. Thank you. Yes, Ravindra.
Yes, sir. Some code error 1120 coming. I don't know.
Okay, it's not sharing. Sharing is not allowed, right? What browser you are using?
Uh, it's a Chrome, sir.
I think it's a IIT internet constraints actually, it seems. They may not be allowing. Okay. Okay, so no problem, Ravindra. We will have some discussion on that. Later we will again do it. Meanwhile, if any question for IIT Patna, I'll see if anybody asks, we can answer. Otherwise, we will see. Anirudh, you can answer question. Can you unmute? Instead of sharing, if any question on IIT Hyderabad,
Yes,
people
sir.
can ask. Yeah. So guys, now
Yes, sir.
floor is open for a question on IIT Hyderabad and IIT Patna. Guys, any question related to IIT Patna and IIT Hyderabad, we can answer till we have a proper session on those IITs. Guys, be quick to share questions. Yeah, one question is there, Hemant. Cutoff for IIT Dharwad in what, general or category, Mr. Vignesh?
So place cutoff I don't remember, but there's a there's a minimum cutoff which should be which should be more than for getting in any IT.
Oh,
So
is it?
you can
So what is that?
check the past data to get that answer, because I don't know, means I can't ask everyone to get their scores right.
Okay, okay. No problem. Yeah, sure. So I think for IIT Dharwad, cutoff for MS was 450 around something. Okay. IIT Hyderabad MS have high cutoff. You won't get easy call. In general, Vignesh, for IIT Dharwad, cutoffs were not very high. Around those were close to 500. Vignesh. Yes, right. What was your gate score, Hemant?
So 534.
534, right?
Yes,
Beyond your gate score, anybody got from general? I think
yes,
no,
sir.
right?
Many
Anybody
people
got?
got from
Yeah.
general. MTech people, many people in MTech got.
Yeah. From IGC 4 are there, but general cutoff, I'm not sure. I think you were the having the 530 gate score, 34 gate score. Some other like Ruby had higher gate score than you.
Yes,
Yes, they release official cutoff? I think not, right? They have not released
no,
any
no,
official.
sir. There is no official cutoff or something like that.
Oh, okay, fine. Yeah. So Anirudh, any idea on cutoff part of IIT Hyderabad for
Yes, sir.
MTech research? What is the MTech research cutoff?
Sir, it's around 500 because even I got a call for MS research, sir.
From IIT Hyderabad, MTech research?
Yes, sir.
Excellent.
Yes, sir. For interview and written test.
Okay, so how was your that time that you have to share in next session?
Sure, sir.
MTech are around 500, right?
But
Yeah.
I don't have the official data. So, but I got a call for written test, sir.
Yeah. That's good enough, right? So clarity is there. So those who are
Sir,
having, yeah. One more
sir,
question
on
is
that
there.
day,
What is the cutoff for MTech? Is this regular, not sponsor? Any idea?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have the data, sir, from the official website.
Yeah. What is the minimum cutoff data?
Sir, for aerospace, it is 731 for general.
Okay. Oh, quite high. Yes.
Yes, sir. Because we'll be competing with mechanical students as well.
Yes. Then.
So OBC 684
Oh, yeah.
and ST is 382, sir.
Oh. ST 683.
382, sir. ST.
382. Yeah. Okay, good. Yeah,
For
yeah,
aerospace, sir.
yeah. Got it. Good. Then I know IIT Hyderabad MTech is tough. Previous my experience also, but MTech research can be a good option at IIT Hyderabad apart from your sponsored seats. That's good. Now, someone asking what are the facilities? How are facilities at IIT Hyderabad for aerospace guys? Can you answer, Anirudh?
Yes, sir. We have good facilities at IIT Hyderabad because we have structures lab regarding FEM, and also we have composite lab as well. So our department is mainly the oldest specialization is mechanics and design. So we have a lot of structures facilities available compared to thermal fluids. But thermal fluids also have good facilities such as CFD lab and things lab.
Okay. Any experimental facilities are there?
Yes, sir. Experimental facilities such as composite lab, and we even have FEM lab as well, sir. Like they're in the website, sir. MEMS, many labs are there,
Okay,
sir.
okay.
Like you
Yeah, I
can search in
mean
the
like
official
they
website.
made. Okay, more of they were asking like aerodynamics related, some wind tunnel on. Okay,
Yes, sir. We
anyway.
have wind
Yeah.
tunnel also, sir. Low
Okay,
speed.
okay, okay. Do they give the weightage to both written test as well as gate score while shortlisting for interview? Vignesh is asking for MTech research. Any answer
MTech
on that?
research, MTech research. If you qualify the written test, only then you'll have the interview, sir.
Okay, okay, okay.
And it all
Fine.
depends on interview, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Any is asking any compressible flow lab in IIT Hyderabad, like gas dynamics lab?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Not experimental, but computational. Yes.
Okay, okay, fine. Good. Yeah. So any more question? Any other question, guys? Any questions for IIT Patna?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, do you remember Shivam, sir?
Yeah, 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 I know Shivam Tomar, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
He got call even for MTech research for IT Hyderabad, sir.
Okay,
RA.
okay. Okay. Good. Yeah,
The
so
cutoff
now
went that close, sir.
okay, okay, good. So now there is one guy is asking there is online MTech program. What is the criteria to apply? I think some is, industry guy can apply, right? On that
Yes, sir.
program. Not general people can't, right?
Uh, Industry people, yes, sir. Only industry people, sir. Mostly it is for, and you have to be working. Like you can't, like it's an online MTech program. So
Okay, okay. Is it for working professional?
yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. So I think that's all. No more questions, right? We will properly plan this IIT Patna and IIT Hyderabad part later. Okay. So guys, any more question? I think we can wind up. Yeah. Someone asking in IIT Patna, any aerospace related works happens in mechanical department, Ravindra? I think department is fluid and thermal, Dipendra. So fluid and thermals are very close to aerospace. What you say, Ravindra, on that?
Yes, sir. In IIT Patna, we mostly have fluid related domain.
Mm-hmm.
So thermal and fluid transport lab is there, which is headed by Rishi sir. So
Mm-hmm.
it's a great lab on boiling and fluid related problems. Robotics is also there.
Mm-hmm.
So, and CFD lab is also there.
Then CFD means lot of turbulence and all can be done, right? So,
Yes, sir. We have subject also in second semester turbulence modeling.
okay, good. No? So then people should not worry, right? End of the day, they should go and put hard work. Uh, and I think NCS comes in IIT Patna. If I have earlier seen, so companies like NCS and all, they are best in mechanical softwares. So yeah. So any other question? Okay, then I think Ravindra and Anirudh, I will catch you guys. Okay, again. Before that, we can have some internal meeting to sort out these issues. Okay, fine, na? Yeah. So
Yes, sir.
thank you, Mr. Heman. Thank you, Mr. Anirudh. Thank you, Ravindra, for joining this session. We are very grateful. And if any queries from these guys, I'll pass on you guys. One more question last coming. Any combustion related work at IIT Patna?
Combustion related, sir, you can say some faculties are there whose main domain is combustion cylinder. So some faculty are working on four-chamber cylinder or five-chamber cylinder. So combustion chamber related domains are there and projects are also there.
Okay, good to hear. Good, because thermal is there, na, in thermal department, definitely. So what I suggest, Dipendra, you can visit to IIT Hyderabad website, IIT Patna website, and go to department, and you can find more information. And it is suggestion to everybody, if you want to know in a particular IIT, what work is going on, what all facilities are going is there, you guys can visit department website and find out. Okay, Dipendra? Is it clear? Okay, so done, guys. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Very
sir.
great. Yeah, thank you all. Thank you for joining, guys. Thank you.